In this video, I'm going to show you a super accurate indicator built using a machine learning algorithm. It's called the AI Buy Sell Indicator on TradingView. Trust me, it's a game changer. This indicator can help you identify profitable trading opportunities by generating signals on your price chart. Stick around until the end of the video because just before the end of it, I'm going to share with you 100 backtest/forward testing this great and amazing strategy so you can see how powerful it is. Plus, some surprises. To add this amazing indicator to your chart, simply click on Indicators tab and search for Machine Learning. Look for Machine Learning Perception-Based Strategy, written by this amazing scripter, thanks to him or her by the way. Once you've added, you'll see blue and pink labels representing the buy-sell signals on your chart. Now let me quickly explain what machine learning is. Machine learning trading models, which are using artificial intelligence and statistical models to analyze data and making trading decisions. These models can be trained on large amount of historical data to identify patterns and make predictions about future of the market movements. Here's the important part. By default, the signals are filtered based on a volatility, but you can also choose another option like volume or both. In my experience, filtering based on volatility works best as it generates fewer false signals. Speaking of false signals, it's crucial to understand that they don't necessarily mean the indicator is incorrect. The AI indicator is actually pretty good at identifying turning points in the market. However, it also includes pullbacks and short pauses, which may not be ideal for trading. That's why we need to filter out signals that go against the overall trend. But before that, if you want to trade crypto on one of the best crypto exchanges platform out there, I highly recommend to check out BuyBit. It has one of the lowest fees out there, lots of good features. I talked about it previously, especially if you're a beginner. I highly recommend to watch my tutorial on BuyBit, but it doesn't matter if you want to trade on other platforms, it's going to work out for you as well. The link for that video is down in the description. But if you want to take even more benefit out of trading on BuyBit, you have a chance of winning up to $30,000 of a mystery box by just signing up into BuyBit, and by using my affiliate link down in the description, you have an extra chance of winning an extra $5,000 worth of USDT. So don't miss this chance. All you need is just to sign up, do your KYC procedure, deposit at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. To do this, we can use additional indicators like CCI or Commodity Channel Index. When CCI is above the center line indicating an upward trend, we focus only on buy signals. On the other hand, when CCI is below the center line indicating a downtrend, we consider only sell signals. This filtering method significantly reduces false signals during trending phases. But wait, there's more. We can add another layer of filtration with ADX or Average Directional Index to determine if the market is trending or not. When the ADX line is below 20, it suggests a non-trending or flat market. By incorporating ADX, we can avoid false signals that occur during non-trending periods. Remember, this indicator and trading method can be applied to any time frame. However, the most critical aspect to focus on is risk management. No trading strategy can guarantee 100% success, and losers are part of the game. That's why proper risk management is essential for long-term success. If you want to know how to go for proper risk management system, how to go for proper position sizing, risk-to-reward ratio, winning ratio, make sure to watch this video of mine. Previously, I made a completely dedicated session. It's about an hour of explanation. There is everything you're gonna need to know in order to become the pro master of risk management. Now let's take a look at 100 backtest/forward testing this strategy, and after that I'm going to share with you the results. So here are the results with $100 of capital account in 100 trades with the risk to reward ratio of 1.5 to 1. And here are the results, how much money we could make. If you want to know how to make more than 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio and maximize it way more than that, make sure to watch this video over here, which is a combination of Fibonacci retracement levels with my own twist on it, the combination of it with the supply and demand zones or support and resistance areas, or let's say price action, and it's gonna blow your mind away. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Good luck with your trading journey. Happy tradings.